All right, boys and girls. I need you to have that dry erase board ready to go here. We are going to do some long division. So can I... What's your name, little man? Ethan, nice to meet you, little man. Okay, Ethan, can I use your board for a moment? Excellent. All right. Okay, this is how I want you to use your board. I want you to hold it nice and long. We're going to do long division. We're not going to go short and fat. It's not called short and fat division. No, it's long division. So you need your board nice and thick, sir. All right. Now, I need an opponent in the form of a number. An opponent in the form of a number. A two-digit number, bigger than 50, less than 99. You little missy, what's your name? Yeah, what number do you got for the Macho Man? 98. 98 it is. So go ahead and write down a 98. Got a 98. Now the way that we're going to do this, we're going to set up a ring. We're going to make our arena. We're going to go like this. We're going to bring it down like that, okay? All right. And some of you mentioned you knew a little bit about wrestling. Who knows a wrestler in the WWE right now? Who's got a wrestler for the Macho Man? You, sir.
John Cena.
Yeah, John Cena. John Cena. Yeah, he's a good wrestler. I can take it. Okay, we're going to call this the John Cena. The Cena problem. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Okay, this is the Cena problem. And we need a divisor. This is you. This is what you are going to be in this arena. This is the opponent. He's bigger than you. You need to be small. 9 or less. Who's got a number for the Macho Man? You, little missy.
1.
No, it can't be 1. It's got to be bigger than 1. Let's go between 3 and 9.
4. 4.
4 it is, yeah. 4. So we're going to divide by 4. So, like my 4th grade teacher told me that one day that I'll never forget. She said, use what you know to figure out what you don't know. Yeah. So, I don't know how many times 4 goes into 98. No, I do not. But I do know something about 4. I know that 4 times something can get me closer to 98. Yeah, we're going to take this big bad opponent and we're going to break him down. Yeah, we're going to break him down into smaller parts that we can take on. Yeah, so who knows something, 4 times something, that gets us a little bit closer to the 98? You sir in the green back there.
I just forgot.
You forgot, okay. If it comes back to you, let me know. You sir in the back.
4 times 10 equals 40.
Okay, so we're going to go times 10. So what we do, put a little X right here. Even put one next to John Cena. We'll box into Cena right there. Yeah. He said 4 times 10. Go ahead and write your 10 right here. Yeah. All right. And you said 4 times 10 was what?
40.
40. That's what we're going to put right here, right below the 98. And we are going to subtract that right now. We got 8 minus 0. That's going to be 8, yeah. And we got 9 minus 4. You little man, what's 9 minus 4?
5.
5 it is, yeah. So we just took the big John Cena and we just knocked him down into something a little smaller because now he's like a 58. He's not at 98% anymore. He's at 58%. Yeah, we can do that. All right. Again, we're that much closer. We know something. We know something about the 4. 4 times what gets me a little closer. It could be anything. It could be 4 times 1 if you want it to be. But I think we know a little bit more than that. Yes, we do. Melissa.
4
She told me your name.
4 times 14 equals 56.
See that again?
4 times 14 equals 56.
Oh my goodness, that is amazing, right? You have been exercising your brain, have you not? Yeah, I can tell you have, yeah. Okay, she went all in on that one. She went on the top turnbuckle. She came in, elbows ablaze. Yeah. Okay, she said times 14. Let's do that. Let's put her 14 here. That was shocking. I honestly did not know that. And you said 4 times 14, because again, I honestly don't know the answer to that. What is it? 56. Let's go ahead and subtract that 56 right there. Yeah. All right. Now we got 8 minus 6. That's going to be 2. We got 5 minus 5, and that's a big fat 0. Okay. We got nothing there. All right. So we look at that number. Can 4 go into that number? Is there anything 4 times something that would go into that? No, it's not. So that's going to be a leftover. What do we call leftover? What do we call a leftover? didn't call the leftovers at Thanksgiving dinner this, but you call them this in division, yeah. You, sir, in the blue, nice soccer jersey right there. It's a remainder. It's going to be a remainder. So we're going to save that for later. And we're going to look at these numbers right here, and we are going to do something with those numbers. They know what we're going to do with those numbers. We got a 10 and a 14. What are we going to do? Who's got a plan? You got to have a plan when you're in the ring. Yeah, you can't just go in there all willy-nilly. No, you can't do that. You have. Yeah, you got that right, sir. Yes. So we add this up. We got 0 and 4. It's 4. We got 1 and 1. It's 2. And then we got this guy hanging out over here. This is like, if you've ever seen WWE, sometimes you got like characters on the side of the ring. You watch it now, there's this bunny. Anybody know the bunny? There's this crazy bunny. Stands on the side of the ring. Sometimes he jumps in. He's like the bunny trying to get in the ring right there. So we're going to put him over there in our answer. That's our number 2. Put a little box around that, Mr.Sideris. Told me you like that a little bit. Yeah. Put a box around your answer. You can find the answer that way. Yeah. Okay. So our answer is 24. Remainder 2. Not too bad. All right, erase that. You just did your first long division problem. Who feels okay about that? Who feels okay about that? Yeah, you lived through it. Yeah. All right, here we go. Next one. All right. Who's got a number just a little bit bigger than that Cena number? So I want a number 3 digits. 3-digit number. Who's got that for the Macho Man? You, sir, in the blue. Yes, you.
102.
Say that again.
102.
400 or 100?
102.
102. 102. That's pretty big. Let's put our 102. Let's put the ring around it. Yeah. All right. And we're going to divide that by what? What are we going to divide that by? You, young lady.
7.
Oh, let's do it. Yeah, let's put that 7 over here. All right. Yeah. What are we going to call this problem? Who's got a wrestler? Something a little bigger than John Cena. Yeah. A little harder to take down. Yes, sir.
Big Show.
The Big Show. Yeah, he's a monster. I can take him. All right, the Big Show. Right there. We're going to put on a show with him right now. Yes. Put our X's there because we're going to do some multiplication. You may notice, boys and girls, that at no point in time are we going to divide anything in this problem. Have you noticed that? You don't need to know how to divide anything to do division. No one really divides anything. No, they do not. They use what they know in multiplication to figure out what they don't know. Yeah. Okay. So what do we know? 7 times what gets us closer to 102? We've got a plan for us. We've got a plan. We know more than this, right? Let's get those hands up. Get those hands up. You, sir. 11. Have a slim jim. Okay, 11. What is 7 times 11, sir? All right, we'll put our 11 right over here. And he said it's 77. We'll be careful right here, little boys and girls. You can't put the 7 here and here. Oh, I might do it like this. I might put 0, 7, 7. Now subtract it right there. Oh, yeah. Okay. When I subtract that, I got to do something called regrouping. Yeah. You got to regroup these numbers. I'm going to cross out the 2. Yeah. I'm going to cross out the 0. Yeah. I'm going to cross out the 1. Oh, yeah. I'm going to make that 0 a 10. Then it's going to become a 9. Yeah. And then I'm going to make this 2 12. Dig it. Yeah. 12 minus 7 is 5. Yeah. 9 minus 7 is 2. Oh, yeah. We got 25. This problem just got a lot easier, I do believe. Yeah. Okay. What do we got next? 7 times what? You, sir.
3.
7 times 3. 7 times 3 is what? Nice job, my man. Yeah. 7 times 3. We put the 3 there. We subtract the 21 here. Yeah. All right. You do 25 minus 21. You get yourself 4. All right. Now, 4 is smaller than our divisor there. It's smaller, so we don't even need to care about that right now. What we need to do is take care of these numbers here. And who tells me what process we're going to use on that? What process are we going to use? You young lady in the back. You're going to add that up. Yeah. I'm going to throw this Slim Jim all the way to you. Let's see how far Slim Jims fly. Yeah. Not very far, no. All right. Pass that down. Okay, we're going to add this up, and we got 11 plus 3, and many of us can do that in our head. Yeah. We've been taking our vitamin. Yeah. We looks hard. 1 and 3 is 4. Yeah. 1 plus nothing. Good. What do we do with this guy right here? We can't leave him alone out there. No, no, no. That's our leftovers. That's our remainders. They're feeling lonely down there. We gotta bring them in, get them involved. A little elbow connection to them. Yeah.
When we get our remainder.
That's right. So we gotta write them all right here. 4 right there. We put a box around that. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. All right. Okay. Let's go with 3-digit number again. One more time with the 3-digit number. Let's see. You, sir, right there. What's your name, sir? Drew. 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 3. That's a little bitter, yeah. Okay, let's divide that by, how about a nice solid number? I'm thinking something. What do you think, sir? That's not a nice solid number. We want a small number. Little itty bitty. Although you could do 20. You're ready for 20. That's impressive. Yeah. You want to do the cream, I can tell. Yeah. 5. Yeah. Let's go with that 5. Okay, we need a wrestler name for this. Who are we taking on here? You, sir, in the red.
Kane.
Oh, Kane. Where's the scary mask? Yeah. I can take it. Okay. We call this big Kane right here. Kane. All right, we're going to take down Kane. He is a large individual, yes. But he's not scary, no, because we can take him down and make him smaller. We know 5 times something, so what do we know? I'm forgetting to pass out Slim. I know you need one. Mr. Drew it was, yes? There you go. Oh, that was so that's why I wrestle and I don't play baseball or football, yeah. Okay, who else did I owe? I owe you one. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That almost took out your eye. Okay. And you, sir, was it you? No. Did I miss somebody else? All right. I'll hook you up later if I miss you. Okay. All right. 5 times what goes into something closer to 333? What you got for me, little man? Yeah. Yeah, you. Yeah.
10.
10. I like it. Yeah. We know how to multiply by 10. So here we go. 5 times 10. 5 times 10, there, take that. Yeah. What is 5 times 10 for that Slim Jim? I'll take it right back, I will. You tell me what 5 times 10 is.
50.
Yeah, all right, you can have that. Okay, so that's 50, so I'm going to subtract 50 here, but be careful, boys and girls, you don't want the 50 there, you got to have it in its right place. I tell you, place value was very true for me when I was back in 4th grade, it was, yeah. Okay, all right, now I'm going to subtract that. I got 3 minus 0 is 3. Uh-oh, I got to do that regrouping thing again and cross that out. This guy out, it becomes 2. He becomes 13. 13 minus 5 would be 8. Yes, it is. I said that in the audience. Yeah. And we got our 2 right here. All right, got a little bit smaller. 283. We took him. He started at 333. We took him. We threw him into the ropes. We clotheslined him one time. He's down a little bit smaller now, is he not? Yeah. You, sir, in the back. Yes, you.
5 times 11.
Times 11. What is 5 times 11?
55.
55. Okay, so I'm going to put my 11 right here. I like to put my multiplication problem. This would be my factor. I like to put my factor right next to the numbers I'm working with here. You said it was 55, so I'm going to subtract right there. Yeah. Okay, group this, group that. Yeah. 13 minus 5 is 8 again. Somebody told me that once upon a time, not too long ago. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus nothing is 2. All right, you're getting smaller yet. Toss this your way. Let's see if I can get a little bit better yet. No, cannot. All right. All right, you sir right there with the red sleeves. Yeah.
5 times 40.
5 times 40. What would 5 times 40 be?
200.
Oh, I like it. I do. Yeah. Put a 40 here. Right. He said that was 200. I'm just going to take his word for it because that was silly stuff right there. Yeah. 200. All right. Let's minus nothing is 8. 2 minus nothing is 2, and 2 minus 2 is nothing. Now we're down to 28. You know what you could do is you could make your ring a little bigger. Sometimes your ring's not quite big enough. There. Things have changed since 1985. I don't know what I'm doing up here. Here we go. Yeah. There we go. Made it a little bigger. All right. Now we got to go into 28 if you recall. You got 5. 5 times what gets us close to 28? You can't go bigger. No, you cannot. You can go smaller. Yes, you can. You certain stripes. Yeah.
5.
5 times 5 is what you're telling me?
Yeah, 25.
5. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. All right, let's put our 5 right here. We're going to put 25 right here. And we are going to subtract. Yes, we are. All right. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 2 is nothing. All right, so 5 was our divisor. It is bigger than this, so that's going to be our... Say it like you know what I'm talking about.
Remainder!
Talking about, oh yeah. I'll say oh, you say yeah. Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh yeah. All right, let's finish this up. Here we go. We got to do some math now. All right, we got a long series of numbers here. We can break this up if we want. Okay, or we can add it in one long column. I'm going to break it up right here. Yeah, I'm going to do 10 plus 11 right there. That's 21. Now I can see the whole thing nice and easy. Nice, pretty picture it is. Yes, it is. Okay, we got 1 plus nothing plus 5. That would be 6. We got 2 plus 4. That's going to be 6. 66. What do we do with this guy right here? Standing there. Doing what he loves. He's all by himself. Feeling bad about himself. Can't have that. Oh, no, we cannot.
The 3 that remain.
Yes, we are. Very good. We're going to write that 3 right here. Yes, we are. Right. Answer 66, remainder 3. I want to see some thumbs here. Thumbs, I'm kind of getting this. I can hang with this. It's a little hard, but I'm going to live through it. I'm going to get there someday, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, maybe sometime next week. Oh dear, I don't know where I am or how I got here. Let's see those thumbs. Oh, I'm seeing a lot of this, and I'm seeing a lot of this. Okay, all right. Feeling okay about that. It's new stuff, boys and girls. You're going to get there, I do believe, yeah. Because you're going to start, right now, you're at that bottom rope. And you're going to learn to climb your way to the top of that rope. Just remember this, boys and girls. Just remember this. These big, scary numbers, they're not so scary. They're just numbers. What's a dumb old number going to do about you becoming champion along division? Nothing! You got to break that number down. Does a number have legs to kick you in the stomach? No, they do not. Does a number have arms to put you in a chokehold? No, they do not. Does a number have hands to rake your eyes? No, they do not. No. So there's nothing to be afraid about. You can do this, boys and girls. So here's the plan. I talked to Mr. Sideris down at the clinic. I talked to him, and I said, here's what's going to happen. I have made a worksheet for Mr. Sideris. It looks a little bit like this. And he's not going to give it to you today. No, he is not. He's going to give it to you when you ask him. You see, this worksheet's like your WrestleMania along division. When you feel you are ready to beat the Green, like the Macho Man.
Yeah.
When you feel like you are ready, you ask Mr. Sideris for this paper, and if you go ahead and solve this problem, you start with the little guy right here, you take him out. You move on to this problem, you take him out. You get into something a little bit bigger, you take him down. Then you get to the champion. You get to the champion, and if you take him down, you become the champion of the division. How's that sound? Yeah! Oh yeah! Can I get an oh yeah? Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Now, no champion is complete without his very own wrestling belt. So I tell you what I'm going to do. I got to take off here. But what you're going to do is you're going to make your own championship belt. You're going to cut this out. You're going to put your name down here. You're going to make the belt 2 sides, okay? You're going to make a belt that looks a lot like this, yeah. Okay? Mr. Sideris is going to laminate it for you. He's going to hang it up where you can't get it until you become a champion. And when you're ready, you ask Mr. Sideris for this paper. He will give you this paper. And you'll beat that paper. He will bring down that belt. He will hand you that belt. And you will feel so good. You will raise that belt up and you will say, I am the champion of long division. Can I get an oh yeah?